It's inside. It's a Z908 New materials used. New materials used. Unique line texture. Upgrade 2000 mAh modular battery. Equipped with exquisite storage bag. Convenient folding design. S4 in performance. Now, let's have a test. Upgraded I16 strong motor, one-touch takeoff, intelligent flight control system at high altitude. Can still have a stably 150-degree electric adjustable camera. Design of a large-angle camera for TF shooting. Open app control from the perspective of real shooting. Equipped with dual 4K lens. All you want is details. It is also equipped with a 70-degree comprehensive obstacle avoidance system. Automatic braking. Notices can fly safely. Ultra-long flight distance. Try smart follow. It also has a one-button surround, gesture photography and video recording, speed range advanced mode, trajectory flight, 360-degree stunt roll. It has everything you need. This is the Z908 Yuan.